Imagine this. You're sitting in your college library scrolling through social media while the guy next to you is quietly making $10,000 without a real job, without clocking in anywhere, and without sacrificing his grades. Sounds unreal, right? Well, here's the truth. Most students think their only income options are part time jobs. But there's a new way, a smarter way to use your time and the tools you already have to build a real income that can change your entire financial future. In the next 20 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how you can start building wealth as a student without huge startup money, without complicated tech skills, and without waiting years to see results. This isn't a theory. I've seen this work. By the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step blueprint you can start using today to go from broke student to financially confident young adult. Step 1. Mindset shift. Think like an investor. Alright, so before we talk about how to make $10,000 as a student, we need to address the single biggest reason most students fail to build real wealth. It has nothing to do with money. It's all about mindset. Most students think like spenders. They get money from a job, allowance, or side hustle, and almost instantly start thinking, what can I buy? New clothes, new phone, night out. That's fine in small doses, but if that's your default, you'll always be chasing money instead of making it work for you. Now, what if you flipped that mindset? Instead of asking, what can I buy? You ask, how can I make this money grow? That's the difference between thinking like a spender and thinking like an investor. An investor's goal is simple: turn money into more money, whether that's through stocks, business, assets, even skills that bring higher income. Think about it. If you spend $100 on clothes, you lose $100. If you invest $100, something that grows 10% a year, that's $100 becoming 110, and then 121, then 133, and it keeps compounding over time. It's that same 100, but the mindset completely changes the outcome. So, here's what I want you to do. What I want you to start doing. Every time money comes in from a job, from side hustle, anything. First of all, essentials like rent, food, transportation, investments, even if it's just $10. Fun money, because life is too short to have everything. Most students go 80% fun, 20% essentials, 0% investing. If you flip that to pay yourself first, meaning you invest a small portion before you spend, you start rewiring your brain to think like an investor. Let's say you make $500 from a part-time job per month. So what you can do is it goes like $300 to essentials, $100 for fun money, and $100 for investment. That $100 investment every month, growing at an average 8% a year, could become over $15,000 in 10 years. Not bad for what most students spend on random stuff they won't even remember buying. So, here are 3 quick investor mindset rules to stick on your wall. Never spend anything you earn. Always keep a portion for investment. Think long term. Don't panic if you don't see results instantly. Invest in skills before assets. A skill that leads you that lets your that lets you earn more is one of the best investment you can make early. Step 2. So what's a high income skill? A high income skill is any skill that can bring you $50, $100, or even $200 an hour once you get good at it. And here's the kicker: you don't need a degree, a fancy office. Some examples: copywriting, writing words that sell; video editing, huge demand right now with social media; graphic design, YouTube content creation, and channel growth, which I'll talk you more about in a bit; social media marketing. So here's a secret formula: pick one high income skill. Don't try to learn 5 things at once. You'll make slow progress and get discarded. Learn basics for free: YouTube, blogs, free courses. Your first goal is not perfection, it's understanding. Start applying immediately. Do small projects, even if they are unpaid at first, just to build a portfolio. Now, here's most students go wrong. They think they have to wait until they are an expert before charging money. Wrong. Once you can deliver a result for someone, even if you are just 20% better than they are, you can start charging. Now, here's where I personally think it gets exciting. One of the best high income skills for students right now is YouTube channel creation. Why? Because you don't even need to show your face. You can start with just your laptop and you can build an asset that makes money 24/7, even while you are sleeping or studying for finals. And in the middle of this video, I'm going to share something that completely changed the game for me and many others. It's the Mastery and Monetization program. It's a step-by-step blueprint for building faceless YouTube channels that actually makes money. But here's the catch: enrollments are not always open, and when it is, the spot fill up crazy. For you, remember, skills pay the bills. If you want to make $10,000 as a student, you can't just wait more hours. You can't just work more hours. You have to make your hours worth more. So the link are in the description. If you want, you can try that out. Step 3. Smart investing. Make your money work for you. If you want to reach $10,000 quickly, you need to make your money work harder than you do. Now, when I say investing, I don't mean you need thousands of dollars upfront. In fact, if you start with just $50, $100, the important thing is to start now. The earlier you begin, the more time you have to grow through the magic of compounding. Think of it like planting a tree. The sooner you plant the tree, the sooner you can enjoy the shade. Waiting until you have more money is like waiting years before planting. So, what should you invest in as a student? Index funds and ETFs. These are low cost investments that track the market. You don't have to pick individual stocks, you just ride the overall growth of the economy. Dividend stocks. These are companies that pay you cash just for owning their shares. Imagine getting a thank you payment every few months from companies like Coca-Cola or Apple. Reinvesting your own skills. Honestly, the best investment you can make early on is in yourself. Courses, mentorships, tools, and knowledge can produce returns far greater than the stock market. Here's the secret: you don't need to pick the perfect investment. What matters is consistency. If you set aside a fixed percentage of your income every month and invest it automatically, you'll be amazed at how quickly it builds up. One last tip: avoid the trap of high risk, get rich quick investments. As a student, your biggest advantage is time, not luck. Play the game and you'll win. So don't just make money, grow it. Because making $10,000 isn't about working harder, it's about building a system where your money never sleeps. Step 4 is invest in yourself. Here's where most people mess up. They start spending it all: new clothes, latest phone, night outs, and before they know it, they're back at zero. If you want to hit $10,000 as a student and actually keep growing from there, you'll have to do something different. The power of putting your money to work. When you're a student, your most valuable asset isn't money, it's time. If you start investing your profits now, even small amounts, you can let time and compounding do the heavier lifting for you. The golden ratio for students: 50% reinvest into stocks, 30% long-term investments, 20% enjoyment. The key is reinvestment. The faster you feed your hustle or your investments, the faster they can start generating serious returns. Smart Start small. A lot of students think I'll invest when I have more money. That's the wrong mindset. The truth: you need to start with what you have now, even if it's $50 a month. So where you put your profits? Go for index funds or ETFs, fractional shares, online assets like content creation, websites, anything. The mindset says, think of every dollar you earn as a tiny employee. You can either spend that employee today or it's gone forever. Or you can put it to work for you. That employee will keep bringing in more employees month after month, year after year. That's how you escape the cycle of always working for money. Now, here's the exciting part: the sooner you start your investment, your profits, the sooner you can build assets that earn money while you sleep. Here you have it, the exact 4-step roadmap to build wealth starting from scratch. No magic tricks, no overnight hype, just real, proven action you can start today. Now, here's the thing: everything we talked about works. But what really accelerates your results is having a scalable system, something that can grow even when you're constantly trading your time for money. So all links are in the description. I also have a free training for you guys for YouTube content creation. If you want to grow your channel, you can watch that video also. Thank you for it.